Okay, so we have equalized the array. Karl has an array of integers. He wants to reduce the array until all remaining elements are equal. Determine the minimum number of elements to delete to reach his goal. So if they give us an array 1, 2, 2, 3, we can delete two elements, 1 and 3, leaving 2, just 2. So like when they say all the elements are equal, the numbers have to be the same. So like here, you would just delete 2 and 1. So we would return how many deletions we need. So if we delete 2 and 1, the remaining numbers are just 3. So this is similar to other problems I have done. I'm going to go to the whiteboard. So the logic behind this is we want to get a count of how many we have for each value. So we could create an array with, so if we have the array of 3, 3, 2, 1, and 3, then we would create an array where these are their values, and we're just going to increment them. So we'll loop through this array and increment these numbers. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So we start with 3, so we'll cross 3 off, and we'll increment it by 1. We'll add another 1, or another 3. Oops, it's supposed to be 2. So 1, 1. So there's 3 3s, and then if we just get the max frequency and subtract it from the length, so length minus max frequency equals the minimum number of deletions. So it equals our answer. So if we this is our max frequency is 3. So there's 5 elements. So we'd get 5 minus 3 equals 2. That's just the easiest way to do it, in my opinion. Otherwise, we would have to delete 4 numbers, and we would have to delete like 3, 3, all the 3's and a 2, or all the 3's and a 1. So let's go ahead and code that out. I actually already have it coded out. Okay, so let's create an int array, nums. I believe it's 101 because that's the max values. Yeah, the constraint is 101. And the length is array.length. Let's grab the length. So let's loop through the array and increment. Let's find out the frequencies. So I less than length. And we're going to do, nums of array I, and we're just incrementing it. So now we have this array filled with the correct frequencies, and we want to find out the max length. So max frequency, integer.min. So let's set it to the min value, and we're going to loop through the frequency array or nums array I less than nums.length if let's see, if nums of I, so this is like our frequency, is greater than max frequency, then that's going to become the new max frequency. And then finally, we just need to return, I'm sorry you can't see the code, that was my bad. So let me zoom in a little. Return length minus max frequency. So the reason that works is it's just the shortest way. This is basically saying this is where the most numbers are. So if we delete everything else, these will be less than having to delete these, plus this number. It's just, that's the way it works. So that's how you solve this. If you guys haven't already, join my Slack channel. We do leak code problems every day. Post a video every weekday. Subscribe if you haven't. And let's submit it. Alright, that's all I got for you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.